We are painting 10 different Christmas trees using 10 different creative ideas. This is 8th card in the series. We are going to paint this cool Christmas tree using wet on wet technique. I diluted green with lots and lots of water to get this pale green, and using that mixture I'm painting the background for the Christmas tree. While the paper is still wet, I'm using green and blue mixture to paint the Christmas tree. The blue and green mixture that I'm using is in butter consistency. As the pigment is in thick consistency, it can't move or flow into other areas. However, the pigment will create a blurred effect which is beautiful to watch. Using the same mixture of pigment, I'm going over the Christmas tree again to make the Christmas tree even more brighter. Your paper should be wet throughout the process while creating this card. Again, one more time over the Christmas tree. Now the color is bright and it looks good. When the paper is still wet, I'm adding the trunk for the tree and also shadow for the tree. Now allow the paper to dry completely. Now the paper is completely dry. I'm adding star to the tree using acrylic gold color and also some ornaments with the same acrylic gold. If you have any metallic colors, you can use it to add ornaments to the Christmas tree. As I don't have any metallic red, I used watercolor red color to paint over the Christmas tree for ornaments. Hope you like this idea. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my watercolor channel. If you have any questions, please write it in the comment section. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.